full production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah man, blessed morning, blessed Sabbath, all of my viewers, subscribers, fans, everyone's big up on yourself. The 25th of June. Yes. So once I give thanks to life, you know. Yeah man, there's a walk I go in for the work, night shift, is it? Yeah man, so my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk about this. Let me see I go around, I sent to my phone and trust me, I got... Yo, I said, I think mash me up man, see I'm like the lady with her 5 kids them. That's how I get for build the song Whap Whap, you know. You see me? But now I see the next thing right now with that, I heard that the baby succumbed, you see me? Woman have the plastic bag over the baby face, and I tell her, say, yo, disturbing. Shook up my heavens, man. Shook up my heavens. I don't know if it is Jamaica or what, but, you know, who does that? My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, trust me, it affect me. It affect me right now. I don't know how my rest of the day I go turn out because it mashed me up. I worked me there last night and saw it, you know. Sad man. Who does that? And that is not a publicity stunt. Because nobody are going to do that as a stunt or to gain attraction. Come on, a plastic bag over the baby face. Zine. Shocking. Devastating. Distasteful. You know? One time I see she hold the bag. The person hold the bag and get it more tight. I hear the baby start. Yo, Father God, forgive them for they know what they have done. The more and more every day I see wickeder things. Now this person, if you never want the child, why you go and have the child? I understand that sometimes some women get pregnant and mistakenly when they never expect it. But you safe sex. What about condoms and protection pills? Now if you bring a child into the world, even if the father is not there, just be the mother and the father, man. Be the mother and the father, be the strong one. There's a way out. You see me? And try to make that child to become someone, you know, successful and precious and wonderful. Zine, enough people we know like that, single parent, single mother with the baby from them born. And the child, let me sure the child will come out to something good. Lawyer, doctor, police, all of the good attributes them of someone. What kind of frustration could have led you to do that? To let that person to do that? My viewers and subscribers, very wicked man. Very wicked. Say mash up my heavens, man. Mash up my heavens. And I'm going right now. I never know if I can sleep, star. Ah boy, I tell my viewers and subscribers, wicked man. Wicked star. But anyway, I'm going to review my song. I'm going to do promotional, big up skillibeng. Long time I made the song, Whap Whap Whap, you know. I say stop, but never did really have no interest, to be honest, until the lady and her 4th child who was taking out gruesomely, you know. Yeah. So I just do our work and just words them come. I'm just going to yard 2 o'clock in the morning go voice. You see me? Promotional, you know, promotional pan AO Beats. I don't know, AO City. And then remake the beat of the Whap Whap beat. Yeah man. So we're going to review that at the end of this. We're going at right now, but me I say Jano Star, that person with the baby, she gotta go beat when you see. Gotta go beat that person. Remember me telling the man. Wicked. Wicked. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I review the song and I'll let me know what you think. If you want to watch the song, I'm going to leave the link in the description and the pin in the comment section. See? Yeah, so you can, I don't know. I watch it over my artist page, I-Maric. You see me, I say? And you look it up on TikTok to beg on the support. That's how you can make Whap go viral. All of the bad lyrics, them. Make the good lyrics go viral too, man. Come on. Yeah, man, the support, man. You see me? Yes, man. Love for no. Love for no. We are going to the song right now, saying? Big up. I-Maric, you know. Ayo, city. The youths and nowadays, me tell you, say them heartless, them now have no pity. Them kill anything down to the dog and the kitty. Condolence to the mother, then our food penny, them will get them to a slash. Oh my God, good gosh. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, man, you see it, we say stop the crime star. Condolence to the lady there and the food penny, them once again, you know. Yeah, man, you see it. Judge and my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, just take in the song, man. Yes, man. Stop the crime, man.
Trigger finger, say they made hot. And I go round and I fire wild shot. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Who are issue contract? Feed the killing, them go shoot up the black. Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, man. Trigger finger, say them head hot. And I go round and I fire be a wild shot and shoot up the place where dance can't keep. You see me? All I who issue the contract for the youth them to go shoot up the block. Is what I say, stop it, man. Stop, put the money in the badness and let you them go do bad things. You see it? Yeah, man.
Hey, yes, you master. Done with the kidnapping and the torture. Right. No more butchering, no slaughter. Repent, give your soul to the Father. All you, I put money by head. Yes, you. I contribute the bloodshed. Don't be a fear, next man dead. Enough hungry people want fed.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure me I sing this song, you know. You see me? Me I say, yes, you, master. Done with the kidnapping, no more torture. You know when you kidnap somebody and torture them, no more butchering, no slaughter. You see me I say? Repent, give your soul to the Father. It's never too late to change your life. You see me I say, youths? Yes, you all who put the money on your head. You see me I say? And all contribute to bloodshed. You see me? Don't pay for no more body dead. Enough hungry people out there want fed. Viewers and subscribers, it's not just through my song. You know, when you think about the lyrics, I think everything connects. You know what I'm saying? I get some great feedback already still after the song. And it's just a promotional use. You see it? Yes, man.
All who live on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. The friendship code crack. Friend and stop, friend and back. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you don't notice. You see me? But two different chorus me using of the song, two different hook. The first hook me did I say the youth them trigger finger say them head hot and I go around and I fire wild shot. All the way you can track. You see me? The youth them go shoot up the block. Now in this second chorus I say, you know, who up on the line a chop. And I mean I have Malia pop, stop, stop, stop. You see me I say? The friendship code get hacked. You know like when the computer get hacked? I say the friendship code get hacked. You see me? Yes man. Yes, when I say that, I say, man, yeah, man, friend and stop friending at the back. You see me, because the friendship get hacked, it mash up, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what the thing still is it. Big up on yourself.
Hitman, ride out, Yeng, Yeng. Pull up, loan, bang, bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Here say a friend, peer, fi kill friend. Bro, God, same can't stand them. Fed up, him with a love, he hang them. Him alone, them a cause problem.
Yes, man, so now in the second verse, I say, Hitman, ride out, Yeng. Because I know the Yeng are do the drive by them. See? The Hitman get the money, send ride up on the Yeng, pull up, loan, bang, 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 bang. You see me? Everybody get shot. All children. You see me? Me here say a friend killer. Me say a friend pay if you kill friend. You see it? Boy, I tell you, real life settings, you know. Bro, God, same door like them. You see me? If I'm alone, him would have hang them. Them cause be a problem. Senseless killing, him can them. I'm not going to listen to the song right through, man, and just hear the flow and the delivery and everything. And once again, big up Skillibeng as the inspirator, you know. Yes, man, I see it. As I can see, I did do a choreography in the song. You see me? I try to play with the song and do the visuals of the song and say, you see it. Some of viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. That's why I say big up on yourself. You know your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell. You know what I mean? All heap of love. I'm out. Not another word to me, I'm out.
All who live on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.